I'm so delighted, I'm so happy trying out this CeraVe Acne Control Cleanser. Hi my loves, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite girl here this series. So on today's video, I'm going to be trying out and reviewing this cleanser. This is the CeraVe Acne Control Cleanser that contains 2% salicylic acid. I actually got this and this as a gift from a vendor. I decided to come out here to try it out while reviewing it. So basically, we're going to be reviewing this CeraVe Acne Control Cleanser. So this cleanser contains 3 essential ingredients, which include the ceramide. It also contains niacinamide. It also contains 2% salicylic acid, and the 2% salicylic acid is the main active and potent ingredient used in the formulation of this particular cleanser. So that 2% salicylic acid contained in this particular cleanser rings the bell. What do I mean? It needs to help to tackle what? It's going to help to tackle your acne pores. And of course, as we all know that salicylic acid is very, very good for oily prone skin. It's going to help to unclog the pores of your skin. It's also going to help to prevent and treat your acne blemishes from coming out. So basically, salicylic acid is very, very good. If you're someone that your skin is always so prone to acne, or you have oily face, I would advise you to go get a cleanser that contains salicylic acid. And as we all know that what causes acne marks or what causes acne or pimples are always as a result of oil accumulated with bacteria. So if you should notice, if you should watch, you're going to find out that people that sweat a lot, they don't usually have pimples on their face. Like, it's always very, very rare to see people that sweat so much, people that sweat a lot, to have acne on their face. So that is to tell you that if you have an oily face, if you have an oily prone skin, you need to start making use of products that contain salicylic acid on your face. That way, it's going to help to unclog the pores of your skin. So now I'm going to be illustrating on how you can make use of this cleanser on your face. Remember, I said that this video is going to be a review and as well an illustration on how to make use of the CeraVe Acne Control Cleanser. So the first thing you need to do is to wash your hands. Reason why we are washing our hands is to avoid the transmission of germs from your hand up to your face. We all already know that what causes acne, what causes pimple most at times are always accumulation of bacteria and oil. Aside from hormonal changes or maybe the product you are using, another thing that causes pimple or acne marks are always as a result of when germs and oil comes together, result to pimples. So we are trying to prevent the transmission of germs from your hands up to your face. So
you got to wash your hands first.
So now I'm going to be going to the bathroom to go wash my hands, and I'll be back in few seconds. So my loves, as you can see, I am done washing my hands. So I just finished washing my hands. The next thing I'm going to be doing now is to take 2 drops of this. Okay. One, two. My 2 drops of the CeraVe Acne Control Cleanser. So before I apply it on my face, I'm supposed to wet my face first. Like, my face is supposed to be damp, a little bit damp, before applying this cleanser. Because I'm not doing this inside the bedroom, I'm going to be showing you. So this is my bucket of water. I'm going to be damping my face. Just damp it a little. Oh, good. So this is my cleanser. All I have to do is to massage this on my hand. I love the fact that this particular cleanser does not contain any form of fragrance in it. Yeah, it does not contain any form of fragrance. I know a lot of people do react to fragrance, like it irritates the skin sometimes. So this is a plus to the CeraVe company. So I'm going to be applying this on my face. Using my 2 hands to massage all over. I'll be taking my time to massage this cleanser on my face because it's more like a treatment product, so it's not something you just apply and wash off immediately. Oh, I think I'm done. So I'm going to be allowing it on my face for like a minute or 2 minutes so that the ingredient contained in this particular cleanser will penetrate right into the pores of my face and do the job. And also, because it contains salicylic acid, I want that active ingredient to work on my skin. So that's the one reason why I'm going to be leaving this for some time on my face. It's 2 minutes already, so let's wash it off. I'll be doing it right now. Let's see if this particular serum, if it forms very well on the skin. Oh my god, I think it does. It forms very well. You guys, this particular cleanser, it does and foams very well. The next thing I'm gonna be doing now is to allow my face to air dry. My face is now air dried. I'll now be going in with this. This is the CeraVe AM. So let's try it out. Actually, they said it contains SPF 30% SPF, a broad spectrum SPF that moisturizes throughout the day and help to restore and protect your skin barrier. So I'm going to be taking this. I'm going to be using this now. Oh god, I just hope it's not going to leave white cast on my face, but let's see. Oh my god, I just hope it's not going to leave white cast on my face. So I'm trying to see if this is going to blend with my skin. You know, it contains SPF. I think it has blended. So this is nice. It has blended. Regardless of the fact that it contains SPF, it still blend on my skin. Cleanser. What do I think about the CeraVe Acne Control Cleanser that contains 2% salicylic acid? If I'm to say about this particular cleanser, I love the fact that it has no fragrance. Yes, and secondly, it foams very well on the skin. It will be suitable for acne prone skin. Let's assume you had a breakout. This particular cleanser is going to help in the healing, and it's also going to help to prevent new acne from forming. So because of the salicylic acid it contains, it's going to help to lock in moisture on your face. So another thing you need to know is that, remember that this is a wash off cleanser. I wouldn't just say that this should be a treatment face cleanser to tackle your acne. If you want to tackle your acne, you need a stay-in product. You need something that if you apply it, it will stay there for like an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours or thereabouts. So this is just a wash off cleanser. The only thing it can do to your skin is that it's going to help to prevent. It's also going to help to enhance the healing of your acne. So now another question here is, what skin type is this CeraVe Acne Control Cleanser made for? It's basically made for acne prone skin. If you're such a person that your skin is always looking so dry, please I beg you in the name of God, don't even go close to CeraVe Acne Control Cleanser because it contains salicylic acid. So my love, you won't like it. I can say about this CeraVe Acne Control Cleanser is that, like, it's very good. Like, the product is very good. It's very nice. So if you can afford it, go ahead and buy it. So guys, I hope with this video you'll be able to decide if you should go ahead and purchase this particular cleanser or if you should say no to it. So guys, have you tried this product in the past? Let's know on the comment section. Or are you going to be trying out this particular cleanser? Let's know on the comment section below too. And if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to give it a huge thumbs up, and of course like and subscribe. Subscribe to the channel to join the subscribe community. I promise to always give out my best on skincare tips. I'm going to be seeing you guys on my next one. Until then, remain blessed. Bye.